Hello folks, welcome back. Readdy is an AI-powered platform designed to assist with various tasks, primarily focusing on productivity and workflow optimization. The platform seems to leverage artificial intelligence to automate repetitive tasks, enhance organization, and streamline workflows, making it easier for users to manage their time and tasks efficiently. One of the key features of Readdy appears to be its ability to learn and adapt to user behavior, allowing it to provide personalized assistance and suggestions. This could include task prioritization, scheduling, and reminders, all tailored to the individual user's needs and preferences. By automating routine tasks, Readdy aims to free up users' time, enabling them to focus on more complex and creative tasks. Readdy might also offer integration with other tools and services, enhancing its functionality and allowing users to access a wide range of features from a single platform. This could include calendar integration, email management, and collaboration tools, making it a comprehensive solution for both personal and professional productivity. The platform likely emphasizes user experience, with an intuitive interface that makes it easy for users to navigate and utilize its features effectively. By combining AI-driven automation with a user-friendly design, Readdy positions itself as a valuable tool for individuals and teams looking to boost productivity and efficiency in their daily operations. Test this tool, and please let us know your comment. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with another tool.